In today's video, we will fix the Frigidaire Professional Dishwasher LOC error. Control lock, child lock and lock. So, the fix one, you can turn off the control lock. Look at the control panel for the buttons that say control lock or has a lock icon. Then press and hold the buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait until the LOC message disappears from the display. The fix 2, you can reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher. Unplug it from the power outlet or switch off the circuit breaker and wait for around 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. The fix 3, you can check for stuck button. Press each button one by one. Make sure none of them feel stuck or jammed. Then try holding the control lock button again for 5 seconds. The final fix, you can perform a hard reset. Turn off the breaker from the dishwasher. Leave it for around 15 minutes and turn the breaker back on and try unlocking again. Goodbye.